In this video, I will show you how to set a screensaver on your laptop. It should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. To get started, what you're going to want to do from your desktop screen is come down to your taskbar at the bottom, click onto the Windows Start icon, and then click to open up your settings. If you don't see your settings in your pinned apps, use the search box at the top, type settings, and then open up settings underneath best match. Once you're in your settings, come over to the menu on the left hand side, and on here you want to click onto personalization, and then what you want to do is click onto lock screen just down here. From here, scroll down a bit, and underneath related settings you should see an option for screensaver. So what you want to do is give that a click, and that's going to open up a small window like this. As you can see, it says screensaver settings. Now from here you can choose what kind of screensaver you want. So if you click onto this drop down box, you can set it to be text, blank, bubbles, or you can also set your own photos to be the screensaver as well. So if you click onto photos, then what you can do is come to the right hand side, click on settings, and you can further customize this. So you can see at the moment it's set to use pictures from the pictures folder by default, but of course you can click browse and select a folder of pictures on your PC, one that you've created, and then of course you can click OK to use the pictures in that folder. Now because this is going to be displayed as a slideshow, you can choose the speed of the pictures, whether that's slow, medium or fast, and you can also choose whether to shuffle the pictures so that they do appear in a random order. Once that's done, come and click save once you're happy, and then what you can do is choose how long to wait until the screensaver displays. So you can see we got a box here, so you can change the amount of minutes down here. And once you're happy with everything, just come down, click apply and OK to apply your changes, and that is how to set a screensaver on your laptop. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.